We're going to create our own design, pick our colors. This is a 16-foot neon LED rope lights. It's an RGB IC chip. Remote control, smartphone application, plugs into AC. We're going to open up the box, show you what you get inside. You get about 4 or 5 feet of cable with a dedicated DIN plug, the remote control, and plug into the LED light that you can secure to anywhere you like. Great for gaming rooms, you name it. You have the rope kit that one side lights up, the other side does not. The remote control with the 2032 battery, please remove the film. Stickers, installation, screws, clips. The user manual and the application to install. You take the module with the clip side and you press in, it locks into place. Plug the AC adapter to AC, plug the port into the other side, and watch the lights light up. With the remote control and the red button, turn the unit on and off. You have red, green, blue, and many other colors to choose from. Different designs for the unit to act. Stickers, clips, and your wire. We're going to hang ours up on the wall. We made our design, and what we're going to do is tie them down. As we lay our design, with the lights on the outside, make a nice square circle. With your clips, you're going to simply lock down. Lock them into place in every area. As we hook up our module, remote control, and our lights are going to come on, you're going to download an application called Day Better, and Day Better is looking for Bluetooth. You're going to add magic light, connect. Congratulations. And you could change all the colors you want, adjust the brightness level, go different colors here, add them to stringers any way you want, do transitions, multicolor flow, reverse flowing, 7-color flow, 3-color, 7-color tracing, and a whole lot you can do. You could turn off and on through the application. You have a festival. It's Christmas time. Valentine's time. Mother's Day. Father's Day, and you can load more. You have an edit button. The length of the strip, how many pixels, and so forth. If you want to do the brightness via the controller, you can do it via the controller. You can change the colors via the controllers. Choose any of the colors you want. You can speed up, change the mode, different things. You can slow it down if you want. You have a do-it-yourself 1, do-it-yourself 2, and change the directions. This last button talks to you. Microphone. Let me shut the lights off so you can get an idea of what it looks like. In a low-lit room, it does a nice job lighting up. You can make ghosts, goblins, Pac-Mans, anything you want. 16 feet of a rope LED light.